Grid Fill, which is a default feature of Blender, received a major upgrade in Blender 4.5 LTS. It was already an amazing tool for creating smooth surfaces, and now it's gotten even better. When you select a hole in geometry by Alt left-clicking on a boundary, you can press Ctrl F and then press G to fill the hole. Or go to Face, Grid Fill. The surface is filled and takes into account the curvature as well. You can also extrude a bunch of vertices to create an outline and then grid fill it to create a perfect curved surface. This is very useful, for example, when working with reference images. You need an even amount of vertices for this to work, and ideally the same amount on opposite sides, although that's not a requirement. You can enable statistics to help you see how many vertices you have. However, as long as it's an even number, you can just select 2 rails of an edge loop, and Grid Fill will guess the correct span and offset values for you. In fact, this often works better than selecting the entire boundary loop. If you don't have an even amount of vertices, add or dissolve an edge and then use the Edge Flow extension to redistribute them. Or use the Loop Tools extension's Space feature to evenly space out vertices. And the offset allows you to rotate geometry if necessary. But what's new in Blender 4.5 LTS? With this new update, you can select existing faces and retopologize them. Just select the faces that you want to retopologize and then use Grid Fill. It will take n-gons and triangles and replaces them with quads. Just keep in mind that it still requires an even amount of vertices around the selection.